In this video, let's talk about how to discover Viber contacts. Discovering or adding contacts on Viber is going to be a straightforward process because the app automatically integrates all of the contacts that are stored on your phone. So as long as you have an account already saved on the contact list on your phone, you can just open up the Viber app, and if you tap on this chat icon on the bottom right, it's going to show you all of the contacts that actually have Viber installed. Or what you can also do is tap on the search bar and search for particular contacts inside of Viber. Now, if you're trying to manually add a contact and have not yet saved a contact on the contact list, what you can do is tap on the more option on the bottom right, and then right here you'll have the option of add contact. You can tap on this option and then add in the phone number. Other than this, you can also scan the QR code if you have the person nearby, where you can scan his or her QR code directly from the mobile. So using these few methods, you will be able to discover Viber contacts. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.